Good evening, fellow YouTube viewers. Belch94, just with another rail vlog. I'm here at Tarro railway station, located on the Hunt line in beautiful raining conditions. So I'm just in the covered area at the moment. This is platform 1 with services towards Newcastle Interchange, and platform 2 is just over there with services towards Scone, Maitland, Talara, Dungog. So pretty much Tarro is pretty much in the middle of Wop Wop. Got some farmland here. You got a bridge, and then yeah. So I'll do a quick walk out in the drenching rain. So Tarro. So I walk towards the end of the platform. In a beautiful wet. 2-car marker there. Tarro station sign. So you got 2 freight tracks over there. Tarro station signage. You can see there's some flooding happening with all this heavy downpour we've had recently. Yeah, that's the end. I'll walk towards this way. Platform 2 seems a lot smaller than platform 1, so I'm assuming platform 2 is for middle doors only. But what I plan to do is I'll go to platform 2, do a walkthrough, and then I'll set the tripod up there, do some transponding. Hoping we can get some freight or something in this vlog, because I was at Talara before and there's pretty much nothing really. Got an emergency help point this side. Emergency health point. There's no elevator here, so you pretty much got to go by stairs. No, there's the two cars can fit on there just. I definitely should have bought it. I should have invested in a raincoat. So here the stairs to this drawbridge. Well, not drawbridge, but to the bridge. There's views towards Newcastle. And then there's someone screaming stuff. There you go, down platform 1. I can see some floodwater there. Here, platform 2. Opal card reader, 2-car marker. I'll set my tripod in here just to get some, I swear probably where the beefy action will be. So here's platform 2. See off point. See some floodwater here. All down there. This is Tarro railway station on the Hunter line. The rain's got into there by the look of it. It's a bit all faded there. See the old remnants. The red, I'm assuming that would have been from the 90s. Tarro, and there's the end of the platform. So what I'm going to do now is going to work out where I'll set my tripod up without getting saturated. At the moment, I'm gonna have to do this with my bag on my head, on my back. So, but I'm assuming that green thing over there must have been a ticket booth or something like that. But yeah, it's very, very. There's not much out here. Really, just pretty much farmland. Yeah, and I think at Hexham is just you go over that bridge, just follow that road, and you're at Hexham. So yeah. Hello. Can you give me a sec? I'll call you in about a couple of minutes. Got JCERT passing platform 2, Maitland service. Oh, not Maitland, Clara. J6. We've got some freight passing on the side tracks here at Tarro. It happens as soon as I decide to move tracks, as you may know. Slowly coming through. Leading loco is 5001. This is a nice surprise. I didn't see any freight go through Talara. Good to see some freight coming through now. You might see a bit of freight though at Hexham. There's a lot of freight to go through there. a loco in the rear of this set too. Slow down actually. It has just stopped, so I'm guessing it's waiting out a signal for something. I'm guessing another loco is coming through or something, because it's waiting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the platform. I think it's going to move again. Crossing through platform 2. Oh no, it might be stuck. No, it's passing. That was the Endeavour I caught down here, passing through platform 2 to Tarro. Go through platform 1. $50.32.